Hi, I'd like to talk about our Kangen water machine replacement filter today. We have three different kinds of the filters: MW-7000HG, HG-N, and F8. All of our filter will remove chlorine from 1500 gallons or 5000 liters of the water. Difference between each filter is mainly bottom fitting and the chip. MW-7000HG, which is original high-grade filter, has complete circle on the center hole, and also the hole is slightly smaller than the others. HG-N and F8 filter has small two notches on the center hole, and hole itself is a little bit bigger. F8 filter has chip to monitor the filter life by K8 machine. Before you choose your filter, I recommend you to check the previous filter that installed to your machine or filter tray itself. To keep the quality of Kangen water, we recommend the customer to change the filter when machine indicate filter replacement, or if you use for 1 year, that's time to change.